How to avoid the fees on Coinbase. This is a UK specific video, but if you're trading in US dollars or euros, it will equally apply. So what you want to do first of all is sign up for a Coinbase account. If you click the link in the video description below, you can get a bonus equivalent to $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. That's about £7 in the UK roughly. A similar amount in euros probably. So make sure that you click that link in the video description below. It does help my channel as well. It helps me to keep these videos ad free. So now you've got a Coinbase account, what you want to do is deposit some money. So let's go to the accounts tab. Rather than using the debit card or credit card option, this way you can get you can deposit money for free. There's no fees charged, so you don't lose any money on your deposits. So under your preferred currency, click on the deposit button and it will come up with this deposit screen. Now you need to copy down your reference number exactly and click this to say that you've written down your reference number. Click on continue and it will give you the bank details. So you need to make your deposit to this account number. Deposit your full amount. It needs to be at least, I believe, £10 roughly to make sure that your account is verified, but just deposit the full amount. For example, my friend did this recently and deposited £500 and it was credited to his account on Coinbase within just a few hours. So once you've done that, click on I've sent the funds and then Coinbase will start to look out for that deposit coming into their Barclays account. Click on do this later. So now once you've deposited the funds, the next step is to go to another website. We're not going to use the regular Coinbase website. We're going to use Coinbase Pro and the address for that is pro.coinbase.com. So once you're on that website, you want to deposit the money from your Coinbase account into Coinbase Pro. So click the deposit button just here on the top left and you'll see this screen. So now we select the currency. In my case, I'm going to select British pound, but you could equally choose euro, or there is US dollars at the bottom of there. So British pound in this example, and then click on the middle option that says Coinbase wallet. So now we're going to deposit the money from your Coinbase wallet into Coinbase Pro. If you want to deposit the full amount, just click on max here and then click on deposit GBP. Now the money will be in your Coinbase account and you will see the amount of fiat currency here on the top left of the screen. So now we've deposited the money into Coinbase and we've avoided the fees. The next thing to do to avoid the fees of trading is use limit orders rather than market orders. Now you'll see by default that this is selected to market order. So if you was just to select just to buy £500 worth of Bitcoin, you would actually pay a fee of £1.50. which doesn't sound a lot, but over lots and lots of trades that can add up and it can eat away at your profit margins. So rather than doing that, we're going to use limit orders, which are actually fee free. So this is a great way to circumvent the Coinbase fees totally legally, and they actually want to encourage you to do this because it creates market liquidity. So you're actually a market maker by using limit orders. So for example, I'm on the 1 hour chart here and I can see that the Bitcoin price has been dipping down to around about £4,936 pounds recently on the 7th of September 2018. So that would be a pretty good price to buy Bitcoin for, I believe, at the moment. But obviously do your own technical analysis and fundamental analysis before deciding when to buy. And this is not financial advice, by the way. So once you've selected your price, which is your limit price, you then choose how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Now I would recommend that you scale in by creating more than one limit order. So for example, if you've deposited £500, you might want to create 5 different limit orders which will be at various different price points. So then your price is averaged out. For example, if the price does drop further, you could create a limit order at say $4,841 for example, and then that way if the price does drop further than you think it might do, then your price is going to be averaged out. So what you can do here is, I've not got any GBP in my account here, but if I was to click the amount of GBP, then it would automatically get filled out here. I've got a tiny amount actually in my account that I didn't see there, but it's less than a penny. So for example, if it got filled out and it said 0.1, which would be £493 worth of Bitcoin, then I could just insert a 0 beforehand, and then that would be a tenth of my balance. Or if I wanted a fifth, multiply that by 2, and then it would be 0.02, which is equal at the moment to £98 based on this price of 4,936 per Bitcoin. So I might have made that sound slightly complicated, but let's go through that just once more. So limit price is the price that you want to purchase the Bitcoin for. So for example, the price is currently trading at £5,004, but I want to buy when it drops down to £4,924. So I put that price in here. You can take off the decimal places if you wish to neaten it up, and then you select how much you want to purchase in Bitcoin here. You can click max to fill out the max amount, and it will show you down at the bottom here, and notice that the fee is 0, so there's no fees to pay when you do it this way. Then you click on place by order, and your open orders will appear here, and you can click on fills to see which orders have been filled once they're completed. Now if your price is very close to the current price, there may be fees, so make sure that your price is a little bit further away than the current price to avoid the fees. You can do the exact same when it comes to selling your Bitcoin. So for example, if I bought down here, then I might want to sell when the price comes to here, for example, £5,068. So instead of having a buy limit order, just click on sell. Notice that it goes red, and then click on place your sell order, and again that will appear here in your open orders. And when your Bitcoin sells, your fiat currency balance will increase and you will not be charged any fees. So once you've done that, the next thing is withdrawing your money. So you can click on withdraw, choose the currency that you want to withdraw. For example, I want to withdraw my British pounds balance, and you need to have your bank account linked up, which you will have done in the first step. So then it's very simple to withdraw to your bank account, and again it happens very quickly. It can be in the same day or certainly within a couple of days into your bank account, and it's completely fee free. So this is how to buy Bitcoin cheaply, quickly and easily using Coinbase, which is the most trusted Bitcoin exchange in the world. Make sure that you click the link in the video description to get your $10 worth of Bitcoin free. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comments, and I appreciate you clicking the thumbs up button to like the video, and subscribe if you would like more tips on how to trade Bitcoin for fun and profit. Check out this video as well that I'm sure you will love. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.